everybody, welcome to this episode of Storm Watch for September 5th, 2013, and we're currently tracking Tropical Depression GABRIELLE that is just off the coast of the Dominican Republic. And well, it looks like Gabriel is gonna die soon because there is another area of interest just to its east that just killed Gabriel, but that area of interest may be the hurricane that we were expecting before. So we're gonna first look at Tropical Storm Gabriel here, and Tropical Depression Gabriel actually, and it is just off the coast of the Dominican Republic as of 5 p.m. Very close here. We're gonna look at the interactive map so we can zoom in here. It's actually already probably on the coast, or just like a few miles from the coast. But anyway, it's gonna cross the eastern section of the Dominican Republic as a tropical depression and die out here as it reaches the Turks and Caicos Islands. It's gonna die out here. Now, our other areas of interest are actually 3 areas of interest, but I am going to only look briefly at the other 2. So first, we got a 10% chance of development here. There's a tropical wave near the Cape Verde Islands. You got a 50% chance actually of development here in the Gulf of Mexico in the Bay of Campeche. This could be a short-lived tropical storm or tropical depression probably, but it will be short-lived and will hit Mexico or extreme southern Texas. But this is not much, and this is not a real worry, in my opinion. So our main area of interest is this wave here, which is just to the east of TD Gabriel. So this is area 2. A large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms associated with a surface trough extends from the northern Leeward Islands near Tropical Depression Gabriel northward over the Atlantic waters for several hundred miles. Any development of the system is expected to be slow due to strong upper-level winds, and they give it a 20% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone in the next 48 hours. It moves northwestward at 10 to 15 miles per hour. But development could also occur in a few days when the system moves northeastward ahead of a cold front over the central Atlantic Ocean. The system has a medium chance, 30%, of becoming a tropical cyclone during the next 5 days. Now, let's look at some models here. So, these are the model tracks. We'll wait for them to load. Okay. Now, these are the tracks for Tropical Depression Gabriel, and I'm a little confused here because it's really supposed to die out once it's here, but I guess these tracks will apply for this system here too, and they can actually be the one we're looking at. But in any case, some models are actually trending something of a track towards the coast, even very similar to the track of Sandy, except it's more east. So, if you're in these areas, you need to just keep one eye on the lookout because this potentially could go towards the east coast. You see, we got one model showing it going here, another one turning here, another one. So like another one. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 models showing it will go towards the west, but well, this is not really counting because I'm not sure. Well, 4 models definitely, and another 5 showing it will go out to sea. So both tracks are possible. I'm giving this one a 60% chance currently, maybe 60 to 70, and this track I'm giving a 30 to 40% chance, and this track I'm giving near 0%, or even though 2 models show it. Now we're gonna look at the intensity models, and things have changed a lot, but this is for Tropical Depression Gabrielle, and this still shows a tropical storm. This is kind of confusing because these are models for Tropical Depression Gabrielle, not for the other Invest 97. But these models show at most a Category 1 hurricane, mainly a tropical storm. But where's Invest 97? I don't see Invest 97 over here. This is confusing. Invest 98, 99, but not 97. Well, anyway, I guess let's take a look at this. This is pretty interesting. This is also for Tropical Depression Gabrielle, and looks like models show it's surviving, or either there could be one of two things: either the system to the east merges with Tropical Depression Gabrielle, or this one survives. But I doubt it will survive. It probably means that they will merge. And what's interesting, our main track is actually this, because we got this huge plot here of all of these different tracks, but the white track is the main track, and it actually takes the storm up towards Massachusetts and Connecticut. So this is pretty interesting. But we got all sorts of tracks from a landfall in Georgia to a track all the way to the United Kingdom. So it's really hard to say right now. Another thing I want to show you is the water vapor imageries. And see, we got oh yeah, okay, this is the Dominican Republic. So we got like 3 systems here actually, although I guess if this is Puerto Rico, okay. So we got this little system here, and I guess this is Tropical Depression Gabrielle. We got our big system over here, and we've got this thing over here. So it's like almost like 3 systems here. But overall, this could all be becoming a tropical cyclone. This little one is dying out, but this will eventually form, I think, and become a tropical cyclone, in my opinion. Here's another view, but from a different radar imagery here. And see, it's like 3 systems, but this one is like falling apart to the east. So they're just reforming. But basically, this looks like this system should be forming, because it does show a little bit of circulation here. But this one died. Anyway, that's about it. I'm not making any outlooks, so I'm just gonna finish it off with this, because it's very uncertain with the outlook. It could go anywhere, practically anywhere. So it could go to Georgia, or to Massachusetts, or to United Kingdom. But another thing, there's this trough over the east, but this trough is really too weak. So it's actually gonna go to the south of the trough. It's gonna get so it could be taken towards the west coast, because it could towards the east coast, because it could conquer the trough. But if not, it will go to the northeast and out into the Atlantic Ocean. So just have another update tomorrow, and hopefully things will get a little more clear, and we'll be able to post a map for you. So thank you for watching, and have a good evening,